Hosebo everybody. Now this week is actually the week 2 of Arbitrum Odyssey, but because the campaign too hot already, so they are pausing it. Now one of the main reason is that there was a surge in gas fee, and when someone was trying to swap, one had to pay around $21 in swap fee. Now this is very xiao, especially on an L2 because L2 is supposed to be cheaper on the gas fee. Now they will restart after they launch Nitro. So you can think of Nitro is a accelerated version of Arbitrum, right? So this will help to reduce the heavy load on the chain, therefore reducing the gas fee. Now, nevertheless, let us take a look at what's in store for the supposed week 2 and learn about the protocols. But first, just want to do a reminder that if you had bridged over to Arbitrum, you can now collect your NFT. And if you had bridged over using Hop, then you can check their Discord to see how to collect the bonus NFT because Hop is the one that has the highest volume. Then the second thing is if you bridge with Hop, they also announced the small NFT winners yesterday. So you can go and check to see if your address is one of the 10 winners. Now let us go back to Arbitrum Odyssey week 2. Now for week 2, there are two protocols that we need to have our task on. So number 1 is Yield, number 2 is GMX. Now Yield is a fixed rate borrowing platform. So you can go there to borrow. You can put in your collateral and borrow stablecoin, USDC or DAI. Then you will be paying a fixed rate. So currently right now there is 0%. So the maturity date is 30th September 2022. But if you do not pay back on time, then the interest will change into a variable interest rate. Now you can also lend. Now in this example, I'm lending 50 USDC with a maturity till September, but I am still able to withdraw anytime. However, we might face with a slippage if we withdraw early. So over at Yield, we need to do one of three things, and there is a minimum sum. The minimum sum is $50. So you can either lend $50 of your asset, or you can provide the LP pool $50, or borrow equal or more than $100 of assets. Now the easiest way is to just lend the $50 to qualify for the task. Again, you just need to do one of the tasks. Now next, let us take a look at GMX. GMX is a perpetual trading platform. I think this GMX quite hot on crypto Twitter. You can also keep hearing people talk about it. So here you can actually long, short, and also swap your tokens. Now for GMX, we have to do three things. We have to open a leverage trade, do a swap, and mint GLP. Now importantly, the minimum sum for this is $10. Now in GMX, you can long, you can short. What's interesting is that you can use an array of assets. You can also do your swap. Now the third task here is to mint GLP. Now this is the interesting one because GLP is a liquidity provider token. Now when you buy a GLP, it is automatically staked for you. And right now, the APR is at 16.87%. Do take note that they are giving out ETH as part of the reward. And this ETH reward right now is at 10%. Now on crypto Twitter, you keep hearing people talk about it because here if people want to accumulate ETH, this is one of the way for them to do it. Now coming back, again, Arbitrum Odyssey has been paused. It will only be resumed after Nitro is released, and after which I will also continue to make videos on it so that you can be informed and collect the NFT and possible airdrops. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.